Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.5 LTS version on Ubuntu 25.04. Okay, first open any your browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Hit enter, then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it, then click on MySQL community server. So select the version 8.0.45. If you are unable to find the version, you have to click on this archives. There you will find all older version. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then select the OS versions. See here we have the Ubuntu Linux 25.04. Once selected, also confirm the OS version by going to terminal. Now verify the version of the Ubuntu. mod/etc os-release. See, I am on Ubuntu 25.04. So select the version. Then once you selected all these options, see it populated the list of the Debian packages. These needs to be downloaded, but instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle package. So click on this download button, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 498 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL server 8.4.5 .deb bundle tar file. We have to untar this file. tar-exf, give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be executed to install MySQL server 8.4.5. So Ctrl A. Before installing them, we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt install mcap-ipadic. I will keep this command in the video description. utf-8 libaio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed both the prerequisites. Ctrl A. Now ls. Now we have to install these packages: sudo dpkg-i start.deb. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL server 8.4.5. Now we have to set the password for root account. So hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.5. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is running and it is enabled. Quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of the root account that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version 8.4.5. You can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL server version 8.4.5. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify the list of the databases. So, databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL server installation. Let us create a database. Now verify again. See, new database bank is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, now database changed. Now verify list of tables in this database. So tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. It is typo. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will see how to create user. First verify list of users, show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Okay, now exit from the current user, then log in with the new user. MySQL-u, new username is David-p. Then provide the password of this new user. See, this is the password provided. Enter. Now see, we have successfully connected. Verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully logged in with the user David. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.4.5 on Ubuntu 25.04. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, it is started. Let us stop. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. It is stopped. So verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, so to quit. Now also try to connect to MySQL server by using this MySQL command. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Okay, now if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBeaver on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Okay, so the last option is ls. See, you have successfully installed MySQL server. So these files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm star.deb. Enter ls. See, here we have one more file. Remove it also. rm give MySQL, give the tab. Enter ls. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.5 LTS version on Ubuntu 25.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.